We'll start this project with a large brush and light blue paint. First, we'll create a straight line in the lower part of the painting. Then we'll cover everything above that line in light blue. Next, we'll dip our brush in green paint and we'll cover the rest of the artwork in green. Now you can switch to a medium-size brush and light brown paint. We'll create a large circle in the middle of the artwork. Then we can paint it in. Next, we'll create a smaller circle above the large one. After creating an outline, you can paint it in. Next, you can add a neck. We'll use dark brown paint to add wings on both sides. We'll use black paint to add a head. We'll start by creating a straight line on top of turkey's head. Next, we'll paint a square shape above it. Then you can paint it in. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and we'll start adding almond-shaped feathers around turkey. We'll add a yellow feather next to a red one. Next, we'll add another yellow feather on the other side. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in orange paint and add couple orange feathers. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint to add couple more red feathers. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow to add another yellow feather. You can add second layer of yellow to make feathers brighter. I will be adding second layer of orange and red to make all the feathers look brighter. Next, we'll switch to a small brush and white paint to add 2 circles for eyes. Next, you can dip your brush in yellow paint to create a triangle beak. To paint legs, we'll add 2 straight yellow lines. To paint fingers, we'll add 3 small lines on each side. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and add a wavy line on a side of the beak. Next, we'll paint a straight red line on top of the head. We'll use black paint to add small black circles in each eye. We'll switch to a medium-size brush and dark brown paint to add second layer of paint on top of the wings. We'll switch to a small brush and yellow paint to add a small square on top of the head. We'll switch back to a medium-size brush and we'll use green paint to add grass on the bottom of the artwork. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.